Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we will learn one of the most important concepts in n8n, expressions and dynamic data. If you want to build smart automation, this topic is essential. So let's begin. What is dynamic data? Dynamic data means information that changes automatically during workflow execution. For example, customer name, email, order ID, date, or API response. Now we add manual trigger, then add set node. Inside set node, we create field. First field is name. The value of name is John. Now add another field. The name of field is email. Email is flow 729 at gmail.com. After completing this, add another field, name city. The value of city is Lahore, and execute this step. Here we have dynamic data. This data can be used in next nodes automatically. Now move to the next part. What is expression? Expressions is used when we want to insert dynamic values inside another node. Add another node, set node, set, create field, click expression. Now write hello, double curly bracket, dollar sign, JSON dot name. After this, click execute step. This expression takes a name from previous node output and adds it inside text. In n8n, variables help us access workflow data. The most common variable is $JSON.name, JSON.email, JSON.city. $JSON means current item data. Sometimes we need data from a specific previous node. Rename the node name. Change to customer data. Then in next node, write double bracket dollar node, square bracket, quotation mark, customer data, again bracket dot JSON, again square bracket, quotation mark, email. This directly gets email from customer data node. Now move to the next part, real examples. First, delete this node, add Gmail node, click send a message. In option 2, click expression, curly bracket, dollar JSON dot email. Now move to the next option, which is subject. Click expression, write welcome, curly bracket, dollar JSON dot name. Now move to the next part, which is message. Write hello, double bracket, dollar JSON dot name, comma, your city is, again curly bracket, dollar JSON dot city. For executing this step, we need credentials. Now move to the Chrome. Write Google Cloud Console. This website is official. Click on it. Search Gmail API. Click on it. Click Enable. Click Auth Consent screen. Click Get Started. Write your app name n8n. Write your email. Click Next. Choose option External. Click Next. Again write your email. Flow 729@gmail.com. Click Next. Mark this option and click Continue. Click Audience. Down Test Users. Write your email. Flow 729@gmail.com. Click Save. Now click on Clients option. Choose Web Application. Scroll down. Authorized Redirect URLs. Click Add URL. Go to n8n. Copy this URL and paste on it. Click Create. This is your client ID. Copy and paste on n8n interface. Go back to Google Cloud. Write on the marker option. Scroll down. Here is your client secret ID. Copy and paste on n8n. Click Save. Your credentials successfully created. Click Sign in with Google. Click Execute step. This creates personalized emails automatically. Beginners often make these mistakes, forgetting curly brackets, wrong node name, wrong field spelling, using static text instead of expression. Always text expressions using preview node before running the workflow. Now click Execute Workflow. Go to Gmail. You can see I have received email. Again back to n8n. Click Executing Workflow. Again I have received email. Now back to n8n. Now you understand variables, expressions and dynamic data in n8n. These concepts are the foundation of automation building. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.